So, hi. Today we'll be going over AnthosGuard and do a small test. So this project is about guarding. So a cloud-native fraud detection pipeline built on Google Kubernetes and Google Kubernetes Engine Autopilot, and it has two microservices. So account creation, account sign-up events, that something happens together, and second would be fraud detector, listen scores them low, medium, or high risk, shows on a live dashboard. So we can do some live health checks with this. What we built it with was language was Python, FastAPI, pedantic, and containerization with Docker artifact registry. Excuse me for my voice jumbles, it's just late at night. And Google Cloud pops up, so let's Ingress and backend config. What is not present is ML. That's something for the next phase. Time wasn't enough, but yes, do aim for next phase to play with scoring improved with ML model, and also to set up a CI/CD pipeline. This is something for the next half. Sadly, the time was not enough. So now moving on to a small test to check what really this is about and to have a live demo at the same time. So as you see, our Ingress is already live and is available right now. These IPs and links would be provided in the GitHub repo. At the same time, let's have a test. Okay, so let's call a safe user. Let's do a safe user test for the first time. Let's call this user a good user, and or let's say authentic user, and we'll create, I don't know, NL or UK, and let's create account. This will create account, publish account event, and we have published it. New user created, account ID created. Now what we will check is we need to check the status. But before status, let's pass one more user. Let's pass a bad user. Let's call it bad user or a hacker, and let its country be, I don't know, PV, unknown country, and then we just try to create account for this one as well. Let's go ahead, and now we will have a look at both of them and check what is the score. So this is a get event, fraud detector status, and we just send it, and now we will receive a response, and here we should find our user. That is authentic user. It shows score is 46, medium. As you can see, email is not that great, and for a bad user, it's a weird email domain and a wrong type of country name has a higher score. So this is something that could be checked. And all of this can be visible here at the dashboard. You can see our users. I invite you to go ahead and play around and test with it. This service cluster will be on for, I guess, next 2 days, and yeah. But this is again a fetch for health things, and it does show us the bad user and the existing alert. So This was a tiny presentation about AnthosGuard, and I would like to close this note on that AnthosGuard is in action, scalable fraud detection on GKE Autopilot with FastAPI microservices, pops-up messaging, and real-time dashboards. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for the opportunity. It was fun.